How to add a starting soon screen on OBS. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your OBS application. And then from here, what you could do is there's two methods to do it. One, you can make an entire scene just for your starting soon. So I can go ahead and press this plus icon. I can label it starting soon like so, and then press OK. So what I'm going to have to do in this instance is once I'm on my starting soon, I'm going to press this plus icon, and then I'm going to see a few different options. Now, if it's starting like soon is like a video or anything like that, then what you want to do is just do media source, or you can just do like a video, right? But what I want to do is if you just have an image, then what you want to do is just press image. So all I'm going to go ahead and do now is go over to press this image, like press this right here, press image, and then I'm just going to call it image, and I can upload the file. So in my instance, it's in my downloads, and then as you can see, the starting soon screen's right there. Then I can just I either stretch it out if I want to, like if I want to hold my shift down and I can stretch it if I want, like so, and then that's it. You'll be ready to go.